Buyer home search activity has been relatively slow on the shore. It's Friday, December 13th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Queen Anne's and Wicomico counties were steady over the past week regarding buyer showing activity. All other counties are slow to limited. Active inventory for sale is at 1,744, while coming soon dropped to 71. New contracts rose this week to 126 going under contract in 40 days, which is a rise from previous weeks. 130 homes settled at 95.8% list to sold ratio, with days on the market at 25. There are 154 homes for lease at $2,000 median dollars per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, February 13th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.